slips away. If my waking hours could be spent while near you, I would be content, wonderfully content, just to be near you. Make my life worthwhile by telling me that I'll spend the rest of my days, all of those